Hello, uncle.
Hello, who is this?
Uncle, na me your son Cocolet. I don't see 100 missed call and 100 messages. You hear they call me. Uncle, na last week, yeah, I give you money. Why you say they call me again? What happened?
Well, first of all, Edwin, Cocolet. Because I said they call you Cocolet long thing. Now make you go carry your long thing. Enter street, begin a bulldozer they go. I your uncle went attend University of Benin Cyclopedia. I never tried this kind of thing when you dey try so. Small boy, over here me. Small boy. What I never try for your head. See the wahala when you cross from ground. Then they use soldier, police, road safety, every all security people, even boys club, boys brigade. Then they find me for this Benin because of you. Oh. Or more than you appear,
Uncle Giawak Bewa, because me don't know what me do now. Because me and you will never see each other for the past 3 years.
Okay, listen, at their house, 9 people, carry one girl come. They come, they talk say, see what your brother, and we Cocolet, he don't do for grand. I say, what he do? They say, carry bulala, because they call her Cocolet long thing, he carry long thing, they frustrate this girl life. Say, don't take bulala this girl. Now, this girl, he don't get belly. Now, Cocolet, even now since 3 years, now come Nigeria. They say, make a career for hand they talk. Now say, see what he do. They tell me now, they say, see, you don't get belly. Cocolet.
Uncle, this will not be matter. Matter not that here. Cynthia and my girlfriend, everybody know that girl will get big nyash. She fair. When we say even if I dey look every time, you go let me they do because she fair, she fine. If you go cry, let me you cry.
Now that big nyash that go kill you.
Uncle, me agree. Me are ready to die for big nyash than to die for another thing. But nevertheless, Uncle, Cynthia come Nigeria 3 years ago. As me come out, I can say, see Osaro the sleep street, that completed building when near Papa FAS, you know. So now I can tell Osaro, say, maybe you can stay in my apartment. I can say, take Cynthia, like your sister, based on your brother wife. I'm going to call Cynthia for night since when I come Europe since 3 years now. Cynthia, let me sit talk to you as my fiancé. Cynthia go say, I don't fit talk, I don't go fit talk, I don't fit talk now. Osaro go dey talk for the background, go say, baby, who they call you? Baby, who they call you? Who be Osaro baby? Uncle, may you listen now since 3 years now. Person saying get belly for me and he born. When he want born? When he born? I be there if he born.
Gomo.
Will you keep quiet?
Now yesterday, yeah, they thought say this girl born Cocolet.
Jesus!
Now yesterday, now they say she born.
He resemble me?
He resemble you. See your face, see the picky face. Oh, Cocolet, no more go where. Now your picking. This picking now your picking. Cocolet. So, because they say Cocolet long thing, now you carry your long thing. Enter road, they vandalize, they bulldozer, the things they go Cocolet. You not our family again.
Now you do this Cocolet. Now they trouble me. They say if you want to this matter, I will pay 100,000 euros.
Uncle, you don't see the find money, oh. Your snuff don't finish. 100,000 euros to settle which matter? Say, me sleep with girl 3 years ago. She born yesterday, yeah. Uncle Pikin, Osaro Pikin, not be my own. Now Osaro get Pikin.
Yes, they said they need 100,000 euros. And you want need now, right now. If not, they don't bring a soldier, they don't bring army, boys brigade, fire brigade, boys scat. They have they play band, they follow me now, they want to arrest me.
Which matter? Police, you by yourself pursue them before police involved. I mean, police not even involved.
They are already involved. Even the state government is involved. Even the Nigerian government is involved. NCDC is involved. Even the America, UN, even the EU, European Union, they are involved. Cocolet. You and I look at them now. We are competent. We are competent with Oshomona boss.
Uncle, I better you say that's enough. I better you say that's enough when they buy for Mama Ike in her hand. Mama Ike na snuff, it too they strong. Now they buy her again. You want come with Oshomona boss, come Europe, come meet me. Meanwhile, even beg you now, whether you fit give any police where they their phone. So that may they arrest you, may they carry you go prison, may they beat you, lock you for single cell. Obviously, you have a yakba uncle. Ni wa demi la, ni wa we once and for all. You know that's like your back out, do once and for all. Uncle, see English now. You go university though. You said that university you go, so see English.
Don't joke with me.
Uncle.
Will you keep quiet?
Uncle, not be WhatsApp and Facebook, not be Facebook live. Uncle, may they arrest you, may they carry you go because matter not there yet to settle. Matter not there yet to settle. They go. Police, muna carry am, muna go lock am. You don't reach to die, self. They go. Agree. Bad uncle. Thief. You need money, thief. Umia Ojuku. Oji down.
Quick. No, not the waste. Even call the call, not the waste time. Because the level you must bring up. And they tell you, if you not bring that money, they go arrest you. Hello. Finish. Come on for my phone. That's so rich.